Here the question says the sum of the ages of Jun Wei and his mother is 60. So here we can say let age of Jun Wei is X and age of his mother is Y. Then we can write an equation that is X plus Y equal to 60. Now 2 years ago that means Jun Wei's mother, that means Y minus 2, was 3 times as old as Jun Wei. That means 2 years ago, the age of Jun Wei will be X minus 2. Okay, so we can write in this way, Jun Wei's mother, that means 2 years ago, Y minus 2 equal to 3 times as old as Jun Wei. That means 3 times of X minus 2. Then we can write Y minus 2 equal to 36 minus 6, or we can write Y equal to 36 minus 6 plus 2, or we can write Y equal to 36 minus 4. So this is our two equation. This is, we can see, equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now we need to solve these two simultaneous equations. So it is better if we can use the substitution method. So just put the value of Y here, then what will we get? So from 2, we will substitute the value of Y in 1. So we will get from 1, x plus, instead of Y, we will put 36 minus 4. So 36 minus 4 equal to 60. Now x plus 36 will be 4x, 60 plus 4 will be 64. Then what is the measurement of x? X will be 64 by 4. Okay. So the value of x will be 4 1 ja 4, 24, 4 6 ja 24. So Jun Wei's present age will be 16 years. So answer 1, 16 years. That is the present age of Jun Wei. Now the question says the age of Jun Wei's mother when he was born. So we can say age of his mother right now. That means it will be 60 minus 16. Okay. So 60 minus 16, that will be 44. Okay. This is the present age of his mother. Okay. This is the present age of his mother. But the question says, what will be the age of Jun Wei's mother when he was born? So, age of his mother when he was born, when he was born, it will be 44 minus 16. So what will be the answer? Here we need to subtract. So 6, it will be 8. We have 1, 4 minus 2. That will be 2. 28 years. So the age of Jun Wei's mother will be 28 years when he was born. This is the final answer.